Algebra 2, Concept 7, Teacher Talk. So to prepare for the teacher talk, please fill in this table from the information that comes from your notes. So make sure you write down each of the forms of an equation of a quadratic, standard, vertex, and intercept, and under the vertex column that you write down each of the methods and how we find the vertex in each of those different forms. So pause the video right now and copy down this information. And finally, copy down the information at the bottom of the table. So for the the axis of symmetry, for any of the three forms, it is a vertical line, which is in the equation x equals the h, or the x value of the vertex. For all quadratic equations that don't have a context, our domain is all real numbers. And the range, if the quadratic parabola opens up, then our range is our y values are greater than or equal to k. And if it opens down, I'll write that so you can see it, our y values are less than or equal to k. So pause the video, copy down that information. Now you're ready to go have your teacher talk.